Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that arrived coming from Bangkok, Thailand. The story of this item is that I visited Bangkok, Thailand on the second week of March of this year, and I was able to meet Choochai, the owner of Choochai Indigo. Is one of my friends on Instagram, and he is also a tourist guide in Thailand, and we were able to contact each other, and we were able to meet up, and he was able to spend one day with me in going to the different places in Bangkok and suburbs of Bangkok, Thailand. During our conversation with Choochai, I asked him if he can make a denim attire for me, which is exclusively from Choochai Indigo. And he approved of the idea, and we were able to make a final decision and come up with a style. Made some measurements on my jeans and jacket. So since that time, I think I left Bangkok on the second week of March, and since then he was updating me through Instagram on the progress of this project. And only last week, it arrived here in the Philippines since that time that we talked to each other. And I have here the parcel or the package from Choochai. It is sent through the Thailand Post, and the cost of the shipping is 1,060 baht. Came from Bangkok, and it arrived here in Manila, Philippines, maybe after 3 months, but it's okay. I was not in a hurry to receive this. And we made an agreement, and he told me the price of these items were pegged as $400, and plus the shipping fee of 1,060 Thailand baht. So we're going to open this box. Pakita mo. First is this very nice jacket. It's the Lee model, which I specifically requested from Choochai, so he made this. Nice. It has the leather patch. This is Bespoke, and he made a measurement. So we're going to fit this. Okay. Nice. Ikot ako. By the way, the fabric has a weight of 15 ounces per square yard. And you look at the texture, it's really nice. And this is a cell-based denim. The stitching is very nice. It's chain stitch. And it has warmer pockets or side pockets. So you can see the self edge on the placket, and it has some hidden pockets inside. So I like the jacket, very nice. And this is the jeans. We have the usual Choochai leather tab, and of course the usual self edge on the watch pocket. And I don't know if it plays a elephant brand logo of Choochai. And also this is 15 ounces. You can see the self edge. And he based these jeans from my Ironheart 77 Slim Tapered Jeans. So with that, thank you very much, Choochai, for these items. And for my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good day. Bye. Nice.